MEPEQ, we dive to the details, we engage all the end users, all the stakeholders. We are ready to introduce the future version of your factories with the using of the most cutting-edge technologies.
Each line tells a different story. We combine technology with a human expertise to create a real value.
At LANGGUTH, we supply tailor-made labeling solutions for your different containers like bottles or cans or jars and so on. And with our partner, the company MEPEQ, here we support all our customers in the Middle East for the integration and the after-sale service.
At HEUFT, we bring world-leading inspection and quality control technology to the region with MEPEQ. Together with MEPEQ, we help factories achieve higher efficiency and zero-defect production.
Since over 30 years, we create a value of our product in the packaging world. We are working together, our partner MEPEQ, and we are challenging many opportunities come from the market and from their customers.